Welcome back, students. From that short break, we shall continue our discussion on determinants of demand. Before the short break, we have discussed the price of the commodity, consumers' income. We shall continue from there. Number 3, consumer taste and preference. Taste relates to the likes of a consumer, which determines the level of demand. An increase in taste and the preference of a consumer on a commodity which it has a stronger taste will increase demand, and on the other hand, a decrease in taste will lead to decrease in demand. 4. Expectation of future price changes in goods. If a consumer expects an increase in future prices of a commodity, the demand for the commodity will increase, while they will decrease their demand if they expect price to decrease. 5. Weather and climatic conditions. Demand is affected by changes in weather and climatic conditions. For example, some commodities such as umbrella and raincoat increases during rainy season, and on the other hand, demand for cold pure water increases during the dry season. 6. The price of the other commodity. Prices of the substitute and complementary of a commodity affect the demand for it. For substitute goods, an increase in the price of one will lead to an increase in the demand of the other, while in the case of a complementary goods such as car and petrol, a decrease in the price of one will lead to an increase in the demand for other. Change in quantity demand is a movement along the same demand curve. It can be a downward or a upward movement. It is caused by a change in the price of the commodity, while other factors affecting demand remains constant. A downward movement along the demand curve, which is an extension, signifies an increase in the quantity demanded when the price of the commodity falls. This can be shown in the diagram below. Movement due to a decrease in commodity price. In the diagram above, the movement along the demand curve is caused as a result of fall in the price of the commodity from 7 naira to 5 naira, and the quantity increases from 10 to 15, while other factors affecting demand is constant. An upward movement along the demand curve, which is a contraction, signifies a decrease in the quantity demanded when the price of the commodity increases. This can be shown in the diagram below. Movement induced by an increase in commodity price. In the diagram above, the movement along the demand curve is caused as a result of rise in the price of the commodity from 1 naira to 2 naira, and the quantity decreases from 8 to 4, while other factors affecting demand is constant. We are going We are going for a short break now. Welcome back